Hello students, let's talk about some basic English versus advanced English. Barrel of laugh. Barrel of laugh we have to use for a person who is always crack jokes. Such a hilarious person. Oddball. Oddball we have to use for a person who always behave clumsy or who always behave very weirdo. Get along with. Get along with we have to use for someone who is very close to us or with whom we have such great bond. For instance, I get along with my mother, which means I have such great bond with my mother. So far, so good. So far, so good we have to use for a situation when everything is going so well after a long time or after a lot of troubles. Thank you.